welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and I thought I would take you along with me today as I go see what's new in Walmart for spring for 2022. And guys, I was totally blown away. Look at these planters. They're by Better Homes and Garden, and look at the fluted detail. They remind me of the vase that I picked up from CB2 earlier this year. It was $21.95. And as you can see, the one from Walmart is a lot larger. It is $15.48 versus the $21.95 from CB2. You get a larger bowl, and they have a smaller option for just under $10. Love, love, love. And if modern is not your style, they have these really pretty bohemian style wicker baskets and these smaller woven looking baskets. This one was really pretty with the bronzy detail. Of course, you guys know I like these because of the modern design and aesthetic. I tell you, Better Homes and Garden has really stepped up their planter game. I mean, you can even use these as bowls. You don't have to use them as planters. This one also reminds me of something that you might pick up from West Elm at such a very affordable price, guys. So do not sleep on Walmart and their outdoor planters and decor for spring. The Better Homes and Gardens line also has some really pretty table torches. So designer, so high-end to me, all at a very affordable price. So many affordable options. Just look at these. These remind me of the ones that I've seen from CB2. A little bit smaller, but again, a very affordable price. And this one with a face. Oh my gosh. So adorable. So zen. You could put this on your patio and be so zen. I think I might have to go back and pick that up. Even these citronella candle holders, so pretty. Definitely cannot go wrong. I love these. You guys know they're my favorite color, black and white. These might also be something I pick up for summer. Now we're over here looking at the outdoor sets, again by Better Homes and Garden, and OMG, I absolutely love this set. It's giving me Parisian vibes, and it's very affordable at just $347 for 3 pieces. You cannot go wrong with that. If Boho is your style, they have you covered there as well. Look at this little egg chair, so cute. You also have the option of getting a full 3-piece set of wicker boho furniture. It comes in several different styles. You could have the chair with an ottoman or a love seat with an ottoman. All very affordable and so cute. They also have some really nice colorful pillows for spring. I love the green. This is a boho style, very affordable at $15 to $20. I would like this black and white chevron style. Again, it's more boho, but yeah, it's $49. Something you might see at West Elm that would cost you so much more. And these pillows I don't really care for. But the next pillow, oh my gosh, this one reminds me of one that I saw at CB2. So affordable at $15.78 versus the one from CB2 at $35. These pillows were really cool as well. I like the little detail on it. I know many of you might think, well, Sheryl, that's not your style. And really it's not, but I do appreciate the look. These would look so nice together on that boho patio set that we saw earlier. So pretty. Cannot go wrong. And now we are in the floral section. Do not sleep on Walmart's floral section. It is very comparable and sometimes even better than the prices that you'll find at Michael's and Joann's. So pretty. Look at these pretty, I don't know what you would call those, irises maybe. And look at these hydrangeas. So pretty at $3 a stem. You cannot beat that. Walmart's flowers will range from $3 to $5, sometimes $7, and you have a large variety and selections to choose from. Walmart has also stepped up their plant game. Look at these planters and the succulents, the fiddle leaf figs, all at a very affordable price. I just love the look of these florals. I actually picked up one that I think looks so cute. Look at this one. It looks like a little mop of green hair. I absolutely love it. I can see that sitting in the windowsill in my kitchen. So pretty. But again, Walmart has some really affordable things, guys. You need to go check out Walmart. Do not snooze on Walmart. You can find some very affordable home decor to get you that luxe look for less. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this shop with me at Walmart. As you could see, Walmart and Better Homes and Garden, they are bringing their game for spring and summer, all at such an affordable price. If you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one.